Welcome to Reality of Things. We are getting ready to head out on a long journey on the road. It's been a bucket list for quite some time now. I feel like everyone who loves to travel should experience a cross-country road trip once in their lifetime. A cross-country road trip allows you to intimately experience the ever-changing beauty of nature and the breathtaking diverse landscapes. It gives you the freedom to go at your own pace and explore off-the-beaten-path destination and add unexpected adventures to your journey on the road. So, for our cross-country experience, we decided to chase foliage from California to Upstate New York, going through 22 states and 27 days. We drove through Sin City, one of the world's largest entertainment districts, then Provo Canyon, Utah's most scenic drive. To my surprise, foliage here was shockingly amazing. We also drove on Colorado's famous mountain pass, the $1 Million Highway. Although it is dangerous and one must drive with caution, it's deadly gorgeous, so keep both eyes open for your own good. Have you heard of New River Gorge in West Virginia? Well, it's America's newest national park, and it's a must-visit during the fall. This is exactly how I've imagined fall foliage and East Coast. We went from hiking the extreme hard Blue Lakes Trail in Colorado to walking in a magical fairy tale kingdom. That's exactly how the state parks in upstate New York makes you feel like. My boyfriend got to fish below waterfalls and caught a fish in one of the bluish-green lakes in the Five Finger Lakes region.
What kind of fish is it? The bass? What kind of bass? Largemouth? Ah.
It's about keeper size.
Is it keeper size?
Yeah.
Can we keep it?
No, it's kind of yellow.
Why?
Overall, we got to experience Mother Nature's full display of fall foliage throughout the East Coast and saw some of the most beautiful and spectacular waterfalls in each state. Here are the reality of things. Taking a cross-country requires a lot of planning. Sometimes you just can't get in your car and start driving somewhere. If planning to stay at certain campsites, it may require months of reservation in advance to secure a spot. Otherwise, you might end up somewhere you don't want to be. Of course, the fun part is finding camping off the grid to be isolated and waking up to a beautiful views in front of you. But that's not always the case. It's dangerous in many ways. How about staying in hotels? Well, that can get really expensive if you're planning to stay in hotels every night during the whole road trip. I suggest doing a little bit of everything. We booked our campsites in advance for places we know for sure we will be there. Hotels are last minute when we need a good rest and refresh from the long drive. Sometimes we ended up sleeping at parking lot of love. Driving for a long period of time can cause mental stress to some people because it can get overwhelming and cause discomfort sitting in the car for long hours. Or, opposite of that, it can help clear your mind in a way. Sometimes it doesn't matter what is going on in your life. As soon as you hit the open road, all of your worries and stress seems to fade away. You're either stuck in traffic, excited about your next destination, or thinking about that unexpected turn of events. The thing about being in the car on the road with your partner for a long time can also be a realization for the both of you. You get to see the good, the bad, and the ugly from your partner. In conclusion, this road trip presents opportunities for us to discover places that we never knew existed, such as off-the-grid charming towns and smaller cities. If it wasn't for this trip, we would never know that there is a city named Gary, my boyfriend's name. This was definitely a lifetime experience because we are on the road for a long period of time. My 20 plus years boyfriend and I really got to know the ugly truth of each other. We are both opposite of each other. I'm black and he's white. I got to test out his patience to the max, and I can honestly say I'm one lucky gal. Taking a cross-country is definitely a unique and rewarding way to explore the States. I love the feeling of being at odds of the continuously changing surroundings. We are so fortunate to be living in the United States of America. The United States being one of the most ethnically diverse and multicultural nation in the world, it is also the most diverse place to travel and a perfect road trip bucket list. With its vast landscapes, open wide spaces from coastal beaches to majestic mountains, deserts to forests, home to many famous landmarks and attractions. It would be remiss not to take a road trip and traverse this. It's the only way to experience the true heart of this nation. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to do so because in the next month, you're going to see all of our beautiful places we have visited.